Hi, I'm Patty with Studio R12 Stencils, and today I'm going to show you how to bleach with stencils onto a pillow form. This makes a wonderful way to add unique home decor to your house. This is an Ikea pillow form. They have these in every color, and I want to say 2022 is when I purchased a bunch of these, and they were $11. So it's a really good way that you can just change up your decor for the season and then just wash them, put them away, and then bring them out next year. It's amazing. So we're gonna find a piece of cardboard. Do make sure that whatever you're putting underneath is flat. If it's super curly, then you can get problems with it. Okay, and then I have a really cool stencil. This is our pumpkin stencil. So it has a pumpkin shape. And this is, I'm going to tell you the number, STCL 6527. So you can put your pumpkin right there, and you could just kind of center it how you want it. You could stop right there, but it also comes with this piece that will make the details. So it's a two-part stencil. All right, and then we take and tape two pieces of tape. Okay, get that centered, and then we've got these wonderful Mylar pieces that you can use for masking. Okay, and now we're going to take a 50-50 solution of water, and we are going to spray onto the fabric. And I'll tighten that up just a little bit more. It's important to work in a well-ventilated area so that you get, you don't get bleach fumes going on. Okay, I can already see this working. So the neat thing about bleaching your fabrics is that you can stop or start anywhere you want. So you could do this just a little bit, or you can let it go a little bit more. And so I'm going to even that up. That first spray got me a little splotchy, but I can go in and play with it. And then sometimes on black fabrics, the bleach can turn a little bit orange. So if you want to freeze that, I'm going to show you how to freeze your bleaching at whatever level you want to freeze it at. So I'm going to let this go for a little bit longer, and we'll just wait, and I'll come back. All right, guys, we're ready to blot. I'm going to try to keep everything kind of still while you're blotting. You don't want those beads of bleach just running everywhere, all willy-nilly bleach. Make sure that you give us a thumbs up if you're finding this at all interesting, because we do some crazy things with stencils here at Studio R12. Okay, you ready? Let's take a look at how the relief part of that turned out. Oh, look how cool that is. All right, and now we will go ahead and wipe our masks off. Okay, and now let's relieve. See the relief? Oh, super cool. Okay, so now we've got our pillow, and it's got the thing, so now we can add some jazz to it. So we can go ahead give it just a little bit of spray here and there, and then in a minute, I'm going to show you how to stop the process. Okay, I'm going to do some heavier up in the corners. I think that this would be super, super cool with some embellishments like tacked on. You could have a little burlap leaf, that kind of thing. You could totally take this, some buttons here and there. You could go places with this, but I think just as a throw pillow, it's got that super warm, wonderful, I love the texture of it. I think it's really cool. All right, I think a little bit more. This is cool. All right, while this is finishing its thing, I'm going to blot anything big. I'm going to flip him over and do the other side. While we're waiting for the paint to dry, or the bleach to dry, or the bleach to relieve, one of the things that you look for on your fabrics, if it says do not bleach, then you can be pretty sure it's going to be a perfect match for this kind of technique. All right, I'm ready to call it. We're going to take a mix of 50% water and 50% hydrogen peroxide, and that is what is going to stop the bleaching process in its tracks. So I'm going to yank that cardboard out of there. And then we will take and just dip everything in the hydrogen peroxide water and then rinse it out really well. All right, and this is the effect that we have. Isn't that cool? Backside. I am so impressed at how well this turned out. It just made everything really kind of weathered and aged, and it has a patina to it. I love this. Ikea sells luxurious natural fill pillow insert for their pillow covers, and you will not go wrong by this. You can change everything out for the season. I love that you can take your existing stencils and use them over and over. We have been enjoying using the bleach through our stencils, and I can't wait for you to let us know what you think.